Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily find the pin for your printer HP SmartTank 5105. So first, to find the pin, we need to open this thing up. So let's open it. And right here, as you guys can see, we will have the pin. So the pin may vary from person to person, so make sure to check yours. The pin is basically used to access the printer's site. So if you're trying to change something in the site, then you will need the pin, and here you guys can easily find it. So that be it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.